We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wondering who it's from. Oh, okay, so we're back at it again with another video. I feel like I have not shown my face in a minute because my last video was a travel vlog. Well, sitting in this chair. I did a travel vlog when I did the rose water, and I can't remember after that, before that. Anyway, make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe, okay? If you have not subscribed yet, then what are you doing? What are you? Y'all remember that girl who was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so yes, I am in my what do you want to call this? My old lady Walmart moo because it is bedtime, honey. I'm literally so freaking tired. I'm so tired. I was at the gym today. Work was just so long and stressful today. But yeah, I'm here because I'm going to do a mini unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, like, we just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wondering who it's from. So I'm excited because look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 yams in my bank account. Like, I have dark marks all over my face and it's disgusting. So I finally ordered the goods that everybody and their mama been talking about, and I'm so excited. If you see junk on my bed, mind your business because I've been busy. I've been out of town, so get your life. So I'm about to open this wonderful package here. Ooh, maybe I should do it from this way. I feel like these scissors are not that sharp, but we're gonna make it do what it does. They would never give me this big of a box for this small of a product. This is how you break nails. Ah, Lord! Okay. There we go. Boom, bam. They would never give me all this. I don't need this. Anyway, look what I have. Oh, it's bigger than what I expected. I'm so excited. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna listen to this. It says use once a week. Okay, let me just go back and start from the beginning. Then we're gonna get into what this crazy box says. So this is Faded by Topicals. Everybody says, all the girls say this is what to use if you have dark marks, and it will clear your skin right up. So of course we're gonna do some before and afters. Of course I'm going to do like a week update. I'm gonna do all that good stuff because yeah, I think y'all deserve to know because this product was over $25 for this little thing. So anyway, it says, oh, vegan and cruelty free. Topicals. I'm gonna do a commercial. Faded by Topicals. Brightening and clearing serum. For uneven skin tones. Let's see. It says Faded. Fade the look of most stubborn marks, scars, and spots. The serum is packed with purposeful actives that let you kick back and let your worries fade away. They so corny for that. What it does, balances, smooths, and brightens. How to use once a week. Use once a week to start and work your way up to daily use. I don't know, but I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. That's probably not gonna happen. I'm so impulsive. I'm probably not gonna. I might regret it. My skin is pretty harsh. Not harsh, but my skin isn't harsh. My skin is strong, so I don't think, maybe I'm doing like 3 times a week. Today is Monday. I'm gonna do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm not doing a daily, or once a week first. Use sun protection during the day. So I will spotty hotties, they so corny. No synthetic dyes or fragrances. So I'm going to take it out of the box. Out of the box. Okay, this is it out of the box. It's actually not as small as I thought it was going to be, so I'm not completely upset with the pricing now that I know, because like you're not going to use this whole thing. This is like the length of my phone. You're not going to use this whole thing quickly, so it's gonna be worth the while. Let's see. There is kojic acid. I know they have those soap bars of the kojic acid that you're supposed to use up under your arms and stuff, and it fades away dark marks, so we're good already. Tranexamic acid, whatever that is. Melatonin. Okay, melatonin. Niacinamide. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that is. Licorice root. That's interesting. And azelaic acid, whatever that means. So anywho, I'm gonna wash my face in my regular skincare routine, and I'll be back, and then we will put it on my face together. I'm so excited because these dark marks have got to go. Okay, BRB. Okay, I'm back. I'm using my apple cider vinegar as my toner. Because it's supposed to help with dark marks, but I feel like recently it hasn't been helping for real. There is salt water or salt solution, saline solution, whatever, in my mouth right now because while I was washing my face, my freaking like keloid or pimple that's under my nose ring like popped, and I'm like, let me just wash this out. So here is my rose water that I made myself. I will put the link up there. Okay. Wait for this to dry. Y'all, I hooked that rose water up because everybody's like, oh, rose water stinks. Like, it does not stink. It literally smells like rose water. If that makes sense, like rose water that you would get from a store. Yeah, I'm that girl. I did that. Here's the one for my hair. I'm really excited. I ain't measured nothing, which is kind of bad because I'm gonna hope I'm able to like replicate the little concoction I made for when it's gone. But I have a bottle in the freezer and I have another bottle up here, so I should be good for a while. Okay, that is dry. Now I'm going in with my Gaia Labs Tamanu oil. Don't ask me what this do, but my friend recommended it to me and it be having my skin glow, honey. Literally glow. I'll insert a video of my skin glowing because my skin really be like popping. I don't know how to describe it, how it smells. I would say if you were to get this, then put it on not right before bed because you want to make sure it's all into your skin so it doesn't turn your blanket or pillow or whatever green, because it will. Okay, Here for the moment we've all been waiting for. Ugh, okay, sorry, I'm really just trying to make sure that's in my skin. Okay, day 1. Take note of these dark marks on my face. Stuff like this, I be wanting to put like a facial cream like all over my face, because like these marks be all over my face. And then to do like dot is too much. It's just too much. Okay, well, this is interesting. It doesn't have a smell. It did say fragrance free, didn't it? Cruelty free. No synthetic dyes or fragrance. Yeah, there's none. There's, oh shoot, there's no smell. All right, let's put this all over my pizza face. Yuck, yuck, yuck. I would say be careful when you are squeezing this out, because it's kind of sensitive. Like if you like put too much, a little too much pressure on it, then it will come out. See, look at this. I'm barely pressing it and that just came out. Oh, this is going to last a while. I see why the girls are into this. Shoot, let me get them to sponsor me so I don't gotta, oh Jesus, pay $38 more. All right, now I'm gonna, this looks a mess. I'm gonna rub this in. Ooh. You see, a little goes a long way, because I barely use any for real up there, and it covered that whole area. I'm gonna really pray that this does work. I wonder how long it takes to work, because I'm impatient, so I want to see results fast. I just know my skin better be newborn clear. Okay. It has my face looking real shiny. I'm putting it on as topically as I can. Just seeing how like you really only need a dab. Okay. Well, it's all on my face. I'm excited to see the results. Maybe I'll do like, if not weekly results, then every 2 weeks I'll do results. But I would definitely keep y'all updated on this journey of clearing these dark marks. Yeah, that was it for this video. I just wanted y'all to be a part of the magic that's gonna happen to my face. We speaking into existence. There's going to be magic. Oh, by my birthday, y'all. My birthday is 28 days away. So by my birthday, my skin's gonna be popping. Okay. So yeah. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all later.